Anybody who is a business owner that has some sort of redundant task they do over and over and over again. Discovery calls, introductory calls, project kickoffs, all the same names for the exact same work. When really all it means is you gathering information so you can provide the service or expertise that your client is paying you for. And the fact is, changing the name of it doesn't make it any less of a waste of time. Not only your time, but your client's time as well. So if you're a coach, consultant, agency, or you collect information, the same information from everybody, then this video is for you. A thorough discovery call is how professionals like you and I show up prepared to help people. In my world, it's for tech consulting, and it's how you understand the client before the real work begins. But this is the most expensive administrative task in your business because it requires your time and attention to collect information, the same information from all of your clients. And you're using your highest leverage, highest value hours just to simply ask the same questions over and over and over and
1 hour later.
Over again, assuming you have that many clients. But what if I told you you could build a structured system to ask these questions for you?
This is gonna be epic.
When you're asking for a conversation to get this information, you're going to get about 60% more engagement and deeper contextualized answers than if you do like a static survey or a Google form or things of that sort. So the fact is, you want this to be a conversation, but the other fact is you don't want to have to show up for it. So how do we do that? I've been building business systems for nearly a decade now, and the fact is that if your workflows are bleeding time, it doesn't mean that they're broken. It means there's opportunity for you to get time back in your week, in your month, in your year, in your life. It may be working as expected and well, right? But what you're not realizing is the opportunity cost because it doesn't feel necessary for you to improve right now. Now, I built this for my own business, and I am here to tell you it's the best, it's the coolest thing I've ever built. And that's actually because it came from a place of wanting to eliminate this whole concept of discovery calls myself, because I have been asking the same question to people for a decade in terms of building your tech. Because I'm asking you, what do you do? Who do you serve? What is the most painful part of your workflow? Why is it painful? Now, do you need to tell me this specifically? No. There is a way for you to give me that information, and then when I come back and do ask you a question, I'm going to say, okay, well, what part of this is painful? When does it have the most friction? In an ideal world, how many hours are you actually spending on this? And then we reverse engineer the solution to match what you're actually looking for. But first, we have to get all the stupid questions out of the way.
Now we're getting into real territory here.
So I'm going to show you what I built for my own business, where I help businesses and operators implement Claude in their world so that they move further, faster, smoother, most importantly, efficiently. And this one thing that I've built has changed everything. It's changed every single time I start working with a new client and their satisfaction with working with me. Originally, I was a little apprehensive about showing anybody Doris, that's her name, because I was worried that they were going to think I was lazy or that I wasn't doing anything. When really what I'm showing you as you're using Doris and having a conversation with her is that I'm actually doing what I'm telling you to do, and you get a better result for it. And let's say that you build videos for clients, for marketing campaigns. You need to understand their brand, their mission, their vibe, all of those things in order to make an actual video that works for their business. If you're a business coach, you have to understand the background of the business before you're able to actually put your genius to work and give somebody some actual credible advice. So I built a system so that I would stop asking the same question. I actually get more information out of people by doing this method instead of talking to them face to face, which I actually find really ironic, because what makes you valuable is not the information gathering process, it's what you do with that information. And that's the real cost, not only to you and the time in your life, but to your business as well. So let me introduce you to Doris. She is a structured conversation and she runs on my behalf. She follows the instructions that I have given her in terms of information, and she's going to tell me, and I then get a transcript so I can go through and get to know your business before I ever ask you a question and clarify on things, because do I think that Doris collects every little bit of information I need? No. But does she get the nitty-gritty so that I can start asking way better questions? Yes. And why this works, it really forced me to ask myself, okay, what do I need to ask people in order for me to do my best work? In order for me to actually help you implement Claude the best of my, and it's in an interface where people actually go deeper and they answer in full contextual sentences, not just one word answers. As I said, if you do discovery, introductory calls, project kickstarts, anything, whatever you call it, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be running your calendar anymore. These are things that can be offloaded to AI so that you can show up when it's important for you to be there with the context that you need to make an impact on businesses. Because I used to be a Salesforce consultant. The number of hours that this would have saved me, would have returned to my life, is actually upsetting to think about. Let's not think about that.
Don't ignore problem.
If you're trying to scale your business, you, the expert, need to be in the moments where your expertise is needed. Anything that is admin, anything that is redundant can be offloaded. And you can trust that with clear instructions, the technology is going to behave the way that you expect it to.
It's the best. Love it.
But I'm not actually suggesting that you do this by yourself. I'm suggesting that we do this together, because after 10 years of building business systems, I know exactly what to tell technology in order for it to behave the way that you're expecting it to. And that's why I built my 7-day Claude Quickstart program. It's a way for you to get quick, clean, and fast results and a roadmap after 1 week telling you exactly where to implement Claude to get the quickest return on investment that you can. And yes, I lean on Doris in this process because she's going to help me understand you before I ever show up to tell you how to build the workflows that you need in order to have the highest leverage against your time. In my Quickstart, am I going to build you your own Doris? No. We would have to talk about that a little longer. But there are definitely workflows in your business that AI could take over so that you can have hours back in your week. And I'm telling you right now, after 10 years of doing this, that it's not because you don't know, it's because you don't know how. Everybody knows AI is such a powerful tool. Everybody knows that it has a capacity to return time in your world. However, people don't know where to put it.
Deleted.
But if you're not ready to full on commit to a week where you're actually going to be digging into your workflows and seeing measurable results, that's okay. I built a free 5-day bootcamp for you to get a quick win without having to actually commit. But once you're done with that bootcamp, my guess is I will see you for the quick start where you can talk to Doris yourself. But if you're just looking for the free stuff, don't worry, I got you guys too. And that's where the bootcamp comes into play. And both of those links are down in the description. Because in order for me to help you get the most with Claude, I first have to show you what's possible. So if you've enjoyed this video and you thought it was useful, and if you think Doris is as awesome as I do, like, subscribe, share, and use that hype video, because since this is a small channel and it's just getting started, if you hype this video, more people are going to see it. And anybody who is a business owner that has some sort of redundant task they do over and over and over again, I promise you this will benefit every single person that has to do that type of work. And Doris is the way to get there. But that requires a longer conversation. So I will see you guys on the next one.